From the very first moment we knew we were going to have Millie, we made two things pretty clear.
Where's the moon?
We were going to be able to admit to ourselves if we had an ugly baby, and we weren't going to stop our lives.
Yeah.
Well, good job lobstering.
You're welcome.
Do you like that? Instead, we were going to show her ours and make her adapt and fit into it.
Gonna go cave exploring? Yes, Nate. At KP exploring, just exploring.
Of course, this plan has adapted to Millie's needs along the way, but we still bring her everywhere.
Hey there, my baby girl.
Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel. So today we decided to have a look around Cave Key, both to see if this private island would allow us to explore some caves and check out the inlet for our planned sail south.
Very nice guy. Just said come back a little later when it's all clear and I'll take you on a cave adventure. I don't know. We plan to get to Georgetown. This is what, Thursday, and we have people coming in on Monday to Georgetown, which means we need a weather window to make it down there. So we might be doing that tomorrow. Here we go. Here we go. How's our bottom? Cody's dive socks and regular black socks.
Not regular.
From Walmart.
My secrets.
Well, no cave today. He was gonna wait till the owner left so he would give us a private tour, but I guess the owner never left, so we didn't get to do the cave. We're gonna actually tonight in the moonlight, which I think is gonna be pretty nice. It seems to be clearing up. It's a full moon, and we're gonna go down to Black Key tonight, and then maybe Georgetown tomorrow, the next day. Yeah, wake up to my 35th year around the sun in our second home in the Bahamas, where we and Wildly Intrepid spent a lot of time in 2020. Check out those videos from the pandemic, by the way. Yeah, we'll be sleeping. I might be able to do some work. We're gonna have to motor, which sucks, but we're gonna have to do that anyway to make it in time for our friends to arrive, so might as well go while it's calm and hope for a nice little I don't want to call it a sailboat ride down to Black Key.
Full moon sails are by far my favorite, and even though we didn't really have wind, it ended up being a beautiful night on the water.
Yeah, what's up?
And you pooped. Yeah, big poop diaper. Okay, emergency.
I prepped food this time, so we didn't have to worry about anything but Millie and the boat. Oh, and the amazing view. If you have ever been on a boat away from land with stars and a full moon leading the way, there is truly nothing like it. Get up out of the couch and go try. Cody also swears by always leaving as the full moon emerges, and as it happens, the weather tends to be in our favor every single time.
So what happened was, Cody had to jump in the water in the middle of the night here, and actually dive on our anchor. How cold was that? Well, he brought a
Good thing it's not cold. Honestly, I didn't even need a flashlight, so
Yeah, we were buried.
we're buried now.
Okay, good. Well, he brought a flashlight. Oh man, that was hard to say right now. And we have Well, either way, we're at Black Point. We're gonna shut the engine off and have a good night's sleep. And it's just a
A
beautiful
rolling
moon.
sleep.
Yeah, it's a little rolly, but it's fine.
Now it's chill.
So it's been a very rolly night. Waking up in Black Key, it's a little bit surreal actually. Because 2 years ago this was our home for so long during the pandemic. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting to go back on the beach maybe today. It's a little windy, southeasterly still, and it's been like, just a big cradle all night and a lot of rocking. Millie, no. What we're dealing with? Opening doors, going into the bathroom. You know you're not supposed to do that. It only hurts you, and it's so rolly you keep falling. Anyway, it is my birthday today. Turning way too old. Let's not talk about it. Let's see if we can get a beautiful day. Gonna have to get to Georgetown soon, but we'll see what happens.
So as I'm clinging to my freedom and my sense of adventure and feeling young at heart, we went out to our secret lobster spot we found last time and we're here to test our luck. The difference now is that I have to stay in the dinghy with Millie while Cody does his thing. One of the reasons boat buddies are the bomb. Also, the dinghy is Millie's favorite place to nap.
What do you get for my birthday?
Presents.
Cody got me lobsters for my birthday, which that's the first.
Well, last year was crabs because there were no lobsters in that entire area.
Last year got me crabs for my birthday.
That's dangerous. Here you go.
Alright, decent birthday gift. Seriously. This guy's slimy. Oh man.
They're both a little slimy.
Yeah.
Hmm.
This is not my favorite thing to do.
My only wish for my birthday this year was lobster and friends. So with the lobster on board, we set sail for Georgetown to reunite with some other young cruisers. I feel like night sailing in the moonlight keeps me sane and wanting more, but the day sails in warm, toasty sun keeps me young.
You're on camera. This is how you look when you cry. Now you're all pretty. That's the smile. That's my pretty girl.
I guess it's all the art of finding the energy you need in life at all times. A constant, unconscious search for happiness and peace.
Alright, long birthday celebration. Ended up with a bunch of friends and had a little too many drinks, but watched a beautiful moonrise and everyone came out, including Millie.
We went over to Lost over there, the catamaran, which they invited us. We're all gonna go and see turtles today, I think. So we're in Georgetown. We're gonna start to explore a little bit, start to get ready for friends to come on Monday, but trying to squeeze everything in here. Also testing if I got battery on this camera to film some turtles. Cody's feeling fly.
Huh?
Oh, are you kidding me? Cody. I put it underneath a beanbag, I thought.
So as we all gathered on board Lost for a day of exploring some of nature's wonders, the energy was high and the drinks were cold. The boat was probably as weighed down as it has ever been, but the company was as enjoyable. You just can't compete with days like this.
Alright. It took Dawn to something. This is your home. That's all I got. Alright, watch that line though.
Sandy hands. Alright, kid.
Yeah, I just wanna be forever young. Yeah, I just wanna be forever
Did I mention the boat was weighed down? Well, turns out the tide and weight left us grounded on a sandbank, so we had to practice our lifeboat drill. Lucky for us, we brought 3 dings to the party.
굳이 어린이 딴따라 이유가 없잖아 뻔하
Yeah, I have a situation. Cody woke up today with an eye infection. And we don't have any drops or anything until I realized that I am still producing breast milk, which Millie had this once and it fixed it right away. Pretty sure it is the ultimate medicine for this stuff. So, yeah, just, this is gonna be weird, but this is what we're gonna do. Millie, he's gonna steal your milk.
I think I had, maybe I had like the contacts in too long. Maybe I didn't change them out. Or it just got some salt water infected in it. I don't know. Sand in it.
Do you think the turtles got to you?
Then maybe I'm allergic to turtles. I don't know. I can't go to the eye doctor right now.
Oh, Jesus.
This worked out perfect timing.
Yeah. It's like it almost looks better already.
I know.
That's wild.
I don't know if I'm gonna actually post this. Yeah, Daddy's got an eye infection.
Stole your milk. High five, Dad.
just wanna
Already
be
gone down.
forever young
Right.
Yeah, I just wanna be forever young I'm off the ground, no one can stop me now Yeah, I just wanna be forever young 아직 우린 young and reckless 어른이 짠다는